Hello. The theme of the video will be about summarizing and showcasing my achievements in the IT field, as well as presenting my project before my first job interview. So the video will include the following points, again related to Rezetka, the first one, where you have to check which packages are being sent out. Second point, again about cat, where the goal is to descend downward while making sure the cat doesn't fall and get hurt. Here I can talk more in detail about this project because this is actually my first game published on Google Play, and it's my portfolio piece. The game is still in development, it's not finished yet, but today it will already be uploaded to Google Play. My experience with the first IT, this is third point. I decided to try entering to IT and applied for a middle developer position. Even though I'm not really a mid developer yet, but they gave me a test task, firstly, to create a prototype of the game Army Commander. I spent about 5 days on it and I knew it wouldn't be anything amazing, but I tried to make it as high quality as possible. We also agreed that if the company liked my test task, I would be paid $150 for it. After 5 days, I completed. The game itself wasn't very impressive, and combined with some personal issues I was dealing with, it hit me pretty hard. I really had to calm down myself and just get the test done for it. A bit more about the test task. As I said earlier, my assignment was to create Army Commander. I understand that you can make something better in 5 days, but it was what it is. It was a valuable experience. I didn't have any deep knowledges of architecture or proper coding practices, but I tried to make the code at least somewhat readable. I also reuse parts from others project without hesitation, because I believe that's how a game should be built. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, you should use what already works. I wasn't afraid to use ChatGPT either, since it's also a tool, and sometimes when your brain isn't working well, it can really help. They also gave me an asset pack so could work with animations. Those 5 days were really tough, from power outage to mental exhaustion. Point 5. About my own game. As I mentioned earlier, the game I made together with another person is finally being released on Google Play, and I've already got the green light for it. All that's left is to test everything truly, and it will be live. In fact, by the time this video comes out, it will be already there. It took us a long time to get ready for a release. Both the development and the design took a lot of time. Even uploading to Google Play took a lot of energy. There were moments when I didn't even want to release it, but when I look at the game, it felt like it wanted to be published. Like the idea itself was asking to be shared. Finally, I just want to say that the whole journey was really hard and very short at time, but sitting in a cafe right now because once again I don't have electricity at home, I realize that I'm going through a really interesting stage in my life. And to conclude, I want to say you too can have an interesting path. You just have to let out and keep moving forwards. Thanks so much. Bye. Hello guys. I want to say some words on my Google Play account was terminated. I don't know what I have to do, but my account was terminated. I don't know what I have to do.